This 2024 Newmar Bay Star 3811 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 38 feet 11 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Rimini Decor, Amaretto Maple Glazed Cabinetry-MF interior, sleeps 4, awning, TV, air conditioning, TV antenna, slideout, external shower, refrigerator, self-contained, smoke detector, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2024 Newmar Bay Star 3811 is built on a Ford F53 26000 chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.